This is about delivering a win for Canada. And ensuring that our borders are safer, our communities are safer. And of course, we're responding to some of the concerns that have been posed by the White House.
President Donald Trump had one big ask about his northern border.
We have to stop fentanyl from coming in.
And the Carney government is responding by giving Canada's 8,600 border officers a brand new mission to inspect exports. The new bill proposes that warehouse operators and transport companies will have to allow Canada Border Services Agency equipment and officers into their facilities to inspect their goods. That's a measure not only to combat illegal drugs, but also to find stolen cars about to be shipped abroad. Carjackings are top of mind among many voters, especially in Brampton, Ontario, where a Liberal cabinet minister lost her seat in the last election.
To be truly strong, Canada must be secure.
Health Canada will also have new powers to regulate the precursor chemicals that can be turned into fentanyl. Meanwhile, Canada Post and law enforcement agencies will have new authorities to inspect mail packages. That too is an anti-fentanyl measure, but is also being pitched as a way to crack down on illegal guns coming mostly from the United States. To fight transnational organized crime, companies that build the computers and software that facilitate online business and digital transactions will have to build access points into their services, sometimes called digital backdoors, for law enforcement to conduct investigations. The public safety minister said new rules so police can seize hard drives and servers will be compliant with the Charter of Rights. Any police requests for new kinds of digital search warrants must be approved by a judge.
I've worked my entire life in the protection of human rights and civil liberties. That's a marquee part of the work that I've done before politics, in politics.
And though it's not part of today's legislation, the Liberals vowed to make good on their campaign promise to hire 1,000 more border officers and 1,000 more RCMP officers, all of it in a bid to fend off accusations from Donald Trump or from Canadian voters that Liberals are soft on crime. Eric.
David, President Trump was also worried about illegal migration from Canada to the U.S. What is the Carney government doing about that?
Well, there are, in fact, quite a few measures in C2, the Strong Borders Act, to prevent abuse of Canada's immigration system. New rules are being proposed, for example, which could restrict asylum seekers. Immigration officers will get new powers to cancel or suspend immigration documents, and the Immigration Department will overhaul the whole process for applicants and for assessments of asylum seekers. Now, this won't be cheap. Ottawa is ready to set aside $750 million over 5 years for that project. Eric.
David Akin in Ottawa, thank you.